Today we're showcasing the 2022 Nissan Patrol. Let's explore what's new in the Patrol for 2022. Featuring prominently is Nissan's refreshed logo across the Patrol. This logo graces the front grille, rear end, wheels, steering wheel, and even the remote key. A revamped grille introduces Nissan's signature V-motion design. The core specifications remain as reliable as ever. Highlighting our tour is the fully loaded Platinum City Edition. LED lighting enhances visibility. Comprehensive coverage with 360-degree cameras, enhanced safety with a forward radar system, integrated front and rear collision alerts enhance protection. Lane keeping assistance ensures a steady path. The blind spot monitoring system adds a layer of security. The 2022 edition rolls out on stylish 20-inch wheels. It maintains the previous tire size of 275/60 for consistency. A special 70th anniversary logo adorns the side fenders, celebrating 7 decades of the Nissan Patrol's iconic presence. The rear's only update is the new Nissan insignia. Inside, the 2022 Patrol cabin welcomes a new burgundy hue. Luxurious burgundy leather covers the doors and seats, retaining the classic embroidery from its predecessors. Modernity meets function with 10.1-inch display screens. Ambient lighting is adjustable, offering color customization. Connectivity is seamless with USB and HDMI inputs. Rear entertainment options include video playback for passengers, individual headphones for personal viewing on each screen. Wondering about additional interior updates? Let's delve further. A 12.3-inch screen presents a sleeker upgrade from the dual screens of 2020. Its redesigned aesthetic surpasses previous models in elegance. A simplified dashboard enhances the user experience. Button sizes are now proportional, enhancing ergonomics. A departure from the overly abundant and tiny buttons of the past. Clarity and ease of use define the new button layout. While the screen's look has evolved, let's not overlook its enhanced functionalities. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are now beautifully integrated, including navigation among other features. The streamlined button interface offers intuitive control. The air conditioning controls are conspicuously straightforward. Seat temperature control offers both warmth and cooling. A beautifully concealed wireless charging spot is a modern touch. Overall, the vehicle's interior now sports a more refined and orderly appearance. Quick access is guaranteed with both USB Type-C and standard USB ports. Four-wheel drive controls remain intuitive, echoing the legacy of the Nissan Y62, coupled with a control unit for the infotainment system. The steering wheel proudly displays Nissan's new emblem, summarizing the key interior enhancements. Absent are any mechanical modifications. Let's briefly touch on the engine's specs. Powering the Patrol is a V8 5,600cc or 5.6-liter engine, delivering a robust 400 horsepower and a torque of 560 Newton meters. Its acceleration impressively outpaces rivals, considering its dimensions. Nissan's engineering excellence propels this acceleration advantage. On both urban streets and highways, the Patrol promises a premium ride. Its insulation is notably superior. Suspension systems contribute to a seamless driving experience. The Patrol stands out as a premier choice for family vehicles. Its air conditioning system sets a benchmark in its class. My extensive testing in hot conditions validates the superior climate control capabilities. Now, let's experience the powerful Nissan climate system, set at a mild 21 degrees and fan speed 1, directed away for comfort.